I ate one meal a day for 14 days, and to be honest, the results completely shocked me. If you are sitting there wondering, will watching this video actually help me lose weight? The answer is a definitive yes. By understanding the science and the routine I followed, you will gain the exact blueprint needed to shed stubborn pounds and finally take control of your health. Please subscribe to our channel. This information is vital for reclaiming your metabolic health. It is the missing piece of the puzzle you've been looking for. When I started this journey, I didn't realize how much my daily duties would change. To lose weight effectively on a one-meal-a-day schedule, or OMAD, your primary duty is discipline during the fasting window. Your daily routine must include high hydration, drinking plenty of water and black coffee to keep your metabolism humming. You also have a duty to prepare a nutrient-dense meal that covers all your vitamins and minerals because you only get one shot at it every 24 hours. Here is exactly what happened during those 14 days and the benefits I discovered. Number 1. It forces your body to incinerate stored fat. For the first few days, my body was looking for the usual breakfast and lunch. When it didn't find them, it flipped a metabolic switch. By day 4, I could feel my body tapping into my midsection for fuel. Clinical research shows that when you fast for 23 hours, your insulin levels drop to their lowest point, allowing your body to access fat stores that have been locked away for years. It's like finally opening a savings account you've been contributing to but could never withdraw from. Number 2. The hunger monster completely vanished. You might think that eating once a day makes you hungrier, but the opposite happened. Around day 5, my ghrelin levels, the hormone responsible for hunger, stabilized. I stopped thinking about food every hour. In the United States, we are conditioned to snack constantly, which keeps our hunger hormones on a roller coaster. By sticking to one meal, I broke that cycle. I found myself walking past the break room snacks at work without even a second thought. Number 3. I experienced a level of mental clarity I haven't felt since high school. By the end of the first week, the brain fog was gone. When you are in a fasted state, your liver produces ketones. Think of ketones as a high-octane, premium fuel for your brain. Instead of the usual afternoon slump where I'd need a third cup of coffee, I was sharp, focused, and incredibly productive. I was getting more work done in 4 hours than I usually did in 8. Number 4. My daily routine became incredibly simple. One of your duties in this lifestyle is to simplify. I stopped worrying about meal prepping 3 different containers every morning. This saved me about 90 minutes a day. I used that extra time for a brisk 30-minute walk, which further accelerated my weight loss. Reducing the mental clutter of planning meals is a benefit that no one talks about, but it's a total game changer for your stress levels. Number 5. My skin started to glow. This was one of the most shocking results. By day 10, the inflammation in my face had gone down, and my skin looked tighter and clearer. This is due to a process called autophagy, where your body starts cleaning out damaged cells. When you aren't busy digesting food 24/7, your body can finally focus on housekeeping tasks like repairing your skin and reducing puffiness. Number 6. I stopped bloating almost immediately. Most of us walk around with a certain level of digestive inflammation because our gut never gets a break. By giving my digestive system 23 hours of rest every day, the bloating disappeared. My clothes started fitting better, not just because of the fat loss, but because my stomach wasn't constantly distended from processing food. Number 7. My sleep quality reached an all-time high. I noticed that because I was eating my one meal in the early evening, my body had plenty of time to digest before I hit the pillow. I wasn't waking up in the middle of the night with indigestion or a blood sugar crash. I woke up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle my daily duties without needing to hit the snooze button 5 times. Number 8. The scale finally moved and stayed down. Over the 14 days, the weight loss was consistent. I wasn't just losing water weight, I was losing actual body fat. Because my window for eating was so short, it was naturally difficult to overeat. I felt full and satisfied after my one large healthy meal, but I was still in a caloric deficit. If you want to transform your body, you have to change your relationship with food. This 14-day experiment proved to me that we don't need nearly as much food as we think we do to thrive. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you take back control of your health and simplify your life. Are you ready to try eating once a day to see these shocking results for yourself? Let me know in the comments below.